Welcome again to my channel. So, guys, today our focus is going to be on support and resistance, specifically on how to identify support and resistance. Probably you've heard this many times. You've seen it on the internet. You've seen videos, you've read materials, but something about forex industry is that trading. You don't want to be too, proud that you have all the information about this information. Just one or two things you might learn, or something you might need to remind yourself, something you forgot. Okay, so just do well to stay through the video. As usual, it's not going to be that long. I do not like the long videos. So going on YouTube and see a video 4 hours. I'm going to spend 4 hours watching a video. It must be really worthwhile. So just it's going to be full with information for a short time. So how to identify support and resistance? Why I started trading, I used to think that I should trade on any support and resistance I find on the chart. I want to do support and resistance. Oh, there's a resistance there. I sell. There's a support. It doesn't work like that. So before I begin to show you on the chart, because I know you've seen support and resistance, I'm going to just make a comment that probably save you a lot of headache, especially if you're a beginner. Now, just because you find a support and resistance on the chart doesn't mean you should take it. No. If support and resistance were that easy, then everyone would make it. You just see a support, right? See resistance. So the hidden truth there is you only trade on support and resistance that supports the dominant trend. So, for example, if a market is bullish, definitely on the bullish trend, there are going to be support levels too and resistance levels as well. But on the bullish trend, what are you looking out for? You're looking out for buying on support level. And so it is with dominant trend. If the market is bearish, you're only looking out to sell on resistance level. So the market moves in like it's not always it's not straightforward. It's always like a zigzag, up, down, it's just giving formations. And for a bullish trend, you'll be seeing an upward movement on the upside, giving lower low and higher high. Lower low and higher high. Sorry. Gives lower, higher low, higher high. Yes, so it's going to give you a trend line, right? This is going to give higher low, higher high. That's how you find the dominant trend. So, but either way, I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. So let's go into how to now identify support and resistance. In our chart right now, we see a dominant trend. I'm going to take it to lower time frame. Sometimes they takes it a while for you to find markets. Good setup. So a 4-hour time frame, you can tell. Sorry about that. You can tell the dominant trend. So here, okay, you can see that this market is actually a bullish market, right? So because the market is a bullish market, there are going to be formations because the market moves in structures. Technical analysis. We want to look out for market entry or opportunities, that potential entry at support levels. But it doesn't mean you won't find resistance level, but we have no business trading on resistance zones because our dominant trend is bullish. As you can see here, it's a resistance level, but we have no business setting right here, the resistance level. But rather, we are looking at support levels for ourselves. So after a market move from the downside to the upside, there was a minor retracement and the market stopped right about here. So when you look at the past trend, actually this is our support level. On a line chart, let's change it to candlesticks and see if we can find wicks. and weeks. Okay, there's weeks here. However, yeah, so you can see why price stopped at this level. So this is where your sweet spot is. This is where you're looking out for, possible market entry to join in on dominant trend. Then after a move there was another minor retracement, and it still came down to support level. So it just keeps going on and on. Market moved, came down to another level again. So you can still find it right here. Market makes an impulse and it retraces. So that's how you look out for opportunities where you can place a buy. So I'm sure this will eliminate that thought of, okay, there's always the support and resistance. So anywhere I see resistance, anywhere I see a support, I buy. It doesn't work like that, guys. So you have no business selling. So most people, okay, let me say this now right now. You've heard popular saying when they say the trend is your friend, right? The trend is your friend. So if you are against the trend, then the trend becomes your enemy. You get it? I'm going to give you a second. Just a second. So, when you're against the trend is your enemy. When you decide to get against the trend, you are counter trading. Okay? And you don't want to do that. So guys, follow the trend. Always follow the trend. So guys, that is that. I'm going to check another pair so that I'll show you support and resistance levels there too. So if you look at Euro USD, you can see a major market impulse to the upside, swing low to swing high, and the market started retracing. There was a retracement down to this level, and the reason why it stopped here was because it got to a support level that previously was a resistance level, and when it got to this level, this is where the market could not go further here. Guys, again, when it got to this level, this is where you'll be looking out for a buy, because the market's dominant trend is bullish. So because the dominant trend is bullish, you're looking out for buy opportunities. There was a resistance here, but it is not advisable to start selling on this zone, because at the moment the dominant trend is bullish. This is the mistake a lot of beginners make when they start. So you want to wait for the market to retrace back to a support level here, or it could be here as well. It could be here as well. So this zone, let me show you. It could be here as well. This zone as well. But like I said, there are all other things you're looking out for to support your market entry, like the candlesticks, engulfing pattern. You're looking at for chart pattern, structural breakouts, before you can confirm your entry. But since this tutorial is basically about how to identify support and resistance, so if you identify support and resistance, identify them knowing that you are going to be placing trade based on dominant trend. So that's it, guys. So do what? Subscribe, like, share, and comment. So safe trading out there.